Hi everybody, this is a really quick review of the Yashong, I hope I said it right, metric wrench set. I bought it a couple months ago and I already use it in my oil changes and services, and it's very nice set, really well made. There is a flex head right here on a swivel. You can use it in tight places. It's really comfortable to use both directions. One thing I really like about this set that other sets don't have it. This is a complete set. There is no skipping around. It's from 8mm up to 19mm with no skips. That's really important when you need that 17 wrench and you don't have it, and yeah, now you have it. So for the money, I think it's a really good investment for your toolbox. I put links in the description box below if you want to check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.